Hi guys. If you're using NotebookLM but can't find any language settings, we've got you covered. Step 1 would be to hit that subscribe button so we can keep bringing you fixes just like these. So here we are on the home page, and you will notice there are no language settings at all. This is because NotebookLM uses the preferred language to whichever Google account is signed in. So if you're on Chrome, the profile icon will be right on the top of the screen and you can sign in from there or go to the Google account settings from there. If not, you can just search in your browser Google sign in, or you can type the website on the screen and sign into the same Google account you are signed into NotebookLM. Once you are signed in, on the topmost section here, just type LANG and languages should pop up. You can then click on the little pencil icon under the preferred languages tab and choose your language. Once you've done that, head back to NotebookLM and that will change the language in NotebookLM, but also across all things Google related to that current account. I hope that solves your problem, and thanks for watching.